Sesiphinde sabuya nezinye zazo sawubona. Uthi useyabaningi umbhalo womculi uLehleza awufake enkundleni yokuxhumana u-Instagram ethi One Day Conozova kulama-podcast. Kulandela inkulumo kaNotha ebenayo kwenye yama-podcast iPiano Pulse esola uLehleza ngokucula umsangano. uNotha ubekhuluma kanje.
What's this guy again? Lihleza. Lihleza, I mean, like, come on, man. I mean,
Also
Wait, Maz, hold on, sorry.
Wait.
Sorry.
Okay.
What about Lihleza?
I mean, like, come on, man.
Come.
No, like, honestly,
on.
he's a grown man, man.
Yeah.
He's a grown man. I'm sure there are kids, right, that could be his nieces, nephews, or anything like that. When the kids are singing those nonsense things that you're saying on the songs, like, what goes on in your mind? What goes on in your heart? Like, I'm just like, because you know how powerful the internet is, how popular it is. You know that any nonsense can trend. And you put nonsense out there, you know? And I just feel like there's too many people getting away with putting out nonsense. You know what I mean? Like, even that thing, like, they made the same song 5 times. Whatever, Tobetsa, whatever, this latest Tobetsa.
Yeah.
Come on, man. All of those people are untalented on that
You
song.
two
Uphinde waposta futhi uLehleza efake isithombe sikaNotha nombhalo othi okusalayo wakho. Singakhomenta ngalolu daba, singakhohlwa ke futhi ukucindezela ulike, siphinde futhi sisubscribe.